customer wanted us to exchange the polyethylene that they had used on their NRCS high tunnel with 4mm 2-layer polycarbonate. To do that, we had to put on a bunch of 30mm purlins and then go ahead and fasten the 2-layer 4mm polycarbonate into place. This was a full-day job for us to do the polycarbonate and about another full-day job on the 30mm square purlins for one person. The challenge with this that I really do not like when you're retrofitting a polyethylene lined frame with polycarbonate is nothing square. It's just really loose. It's challenging. It's so much easier just to build a frame from ground up. But this was an elderly couple and they just would not have ever been able to do this. So we were happy we could step in and fix this. One challenge that we had was making everything square. We had to actually get some straps in place and pull it tight. The other thing was the end walls were really crazy bad. We actually asked the owner to please fix the end walls before we got there. So put on all your trim like you normally would. This is the butt joint you're putting on. You need 2 people for that, but take a look at that end wall. It is so sketchy. Told them please go ahead and retrofit the inside. Now, if we would have stopped, never would have got done. We never would have got the glazing on. So we asked them to just put on some 2x4s later after the fact. So we were able to use their existing, vents, things like that. They're going to go ahead and put on the trim. We didn't want to do that, but we cut everything, trimmed the sides, so it's all trim ready. It makes it very easy. Regarding the ridge cap, you got to pre-drill in this case because we went with the 14 gauge rather than the 22 gauge. Part of the challenge on this greenhouse was it just was not straight on the ridge, and we had to use something thicker to kind of clamp down. So we put in collectively about 36 hours with all 4 of us in the day. Hey, you have a good one. Thanks.